Hello students, let us continue the lesson and we are solving exercise questions and lesson name is stepwise thinking. And in my previous video already first four questions are solved. If you have not watched that video, so watch it to understand the way to solve that sums. So now we are in a fifth question. Okay, and before going to begin this question, if you are not yet subscribed my channel, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload any new videos. So first let me read what is the question. Okay, fifth question is study figure A and B carefully. Okay, here two figures are given. So this is figure A and this is figure B, and they are given a name also, A and B. Use the same rule to solve figure C. Figure A and figure B. Okay, whatever the rule they have applied, same rule needs to apply for this C. Okay, and here four options are given, four answers are given, and which is the correct answer is going to come, so that you have to find out. Okay, see, first of all let me see the logic. What is the logic they have applied in this A, figure A? See here 9 and 4, and here 6 and 3. So they have used the subtraction method. Subtraction method. So 9 minus 4. So 9 minus 4 is 5. Okay, answer is 5. So they have subtracted these two numbers, 9 and 4, and answer is 5. 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay, so that answer is written here. So 9 minus 4 is 5 and 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay, here 53 is written, 53 is written. So next look at the figure B. 5 minus 1, 4. 9 minus 8, 1. Okay, 5 minus 1, 4. 9 minus 8, 1. So answer is 41. 41 is written in figure B. So apply the same rule in figure C. 7 minus 6, 1. And 9 minus 8, 1. Okay, answer is double 1, 11. So option A is the correct answer. 11 is the answer. So next section B is mental ability. Okay, select a figure from the options in which the figure X is exactly embedded as one of its parts. Okay, here they are given four figures, and so this figure X, so in which figure it is going to embed. Okay, so that they have asked. So answer is A. Okay, option A is the answer. So this figure is going to embed in this figure A. So next second question, select a figure from the options which will complete the figure X. Okay. So to complete this figure X, which option you are going to use to complete this figure? Okay, see here figure C is going to come in this place to complete this figure. Okay, when you use this figure figure C, so it completes this image, so this picture. Okay, so next question, the given question consists of figures 1, 2, 3 and 4. There is a definite relationship between figures 1 and 2. Establish a similar relationship between figure 3 and 4 by selecting a figure from the options which will replace the question mark in figure 4. Okay, here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and fourth box they have given a question mark. And so first 1 and 2, so they have a different relationship. The same relationship you apply for this third one, and which type of image is going to form. Okay, which type of image is going to come in this place, and that four options are also given here. Okay, so that you have to choose. So correct answer comes D. Option D comes here. So option D is the correct answer for third question. Next fourth question, which option will complete the figure X? Okay, figure X, and from these four figures, which option completes this figure? Okay, so answer is C. Okay, so answer is C. Which of the following options replaces the question mark in figure X? Okay, so in figure X, to replace, to complete this figure, so which figure or which image going to replace here? Correct answer is C. Okay, so correct answer is C. So image C correctly replaces in this place. Okay, so these are the questions from mental ability. So in the next session we will see analogy. Okay, and if you have any doubts, any questions, you can ask during online classes. And if you are not yet subscribed my channel, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload any new videos. Thank you for watching.